What's up, you guys? This is Ike, and I'm going to be sharing a video with you all on how to reset your T-Mobile Revvl 5G. So first off, you want to start off by powering the phone off. And once the phone is off, you want to press and hold the power and the volume up button at the same time until the T-Mobile Revvl logo appears. Then from this stage, you want to go down to where it say white data factory reset and click the power button, and then go down to factory data reset and click the power button again. And from this stage, it will take you to the screen where you just reboot system now and press power, and that will reset your T-Mobile Revvl 5G phone back to its factory original settings. I hope this video is helpful to you guys in some kind of way. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, you guys take good care of yourself, stay blessed, and have a wonderful day.